Hello everyone! Today I am going to make some vegan friendly drop earrings. Why don't you watch me make them? These are a teardrop shape and they are 55mm by 38. They are quite thick and no two are the same. I have sterling silver earring wires. And 5 and 9mm jump rings. The 9mm jump rings are 1mm thick, so thicker than the standard. Okay, so we take a 9mm jump ring. We need 2 pairs of pliers to open. They are very strong. This is a quick photo showing how to open a jump ring. Okay, so we attach the open jump ring through the teardrop. And then we add a 5mm jump ring before closing again. Then the 5mm jump ring we open and attach the sterling silver earring wire. And then close. This is ideal for beginners. It's so quick and easy. Again, open the large 9mm jump ring, thread it through, attach the smaller unopened jump ring, then close the large jump ring. I'm going to open the smaller jump ring. Attach the sterling silver earring wire and then close. And there you have a pair of earrings. I'm just going to go ahead and make another pair. Trying to work out if I had the right side, although no two sides are the same. So attach a large jump ring, add a smaller jump ring, and then close the larger jump ring. Just trying to find where the split was. I need to put my glasses on. Open a small jump ring. Attach the silver earring wire. And then close.
Same again.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I have lots of videos available, ideal for beginners. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.